To disassemble the iPhone X, you need the following tools: screwdriver set, plastic mediator, section cup for removing display, tweezers and open plastic tool, and any hairdryer. In the description under the video I left link to necessary tools and parts for replacement. Before disassemble, turn off the iPhone and remove the SIM card tray. Unscrew two screws near the charging port with a Pentalobe 0.8 mm screwdriver. Take any hairdryer and heat the surface of the screen for 1 or 2 minutes. Set the section cup at the bottom of screen and pull the ring up. Next, take a plastic mediator and begin to disconnect the display module from the iPhone. The case of iPhone X opening like a book. Open the display to the right side. Using a driving 0.6 mm screwdriver, unscrew 5 screws and remove the metal panel. Under the metal panel you will see cables. The first is disconnecting the battery cable and then disconnecting the 3 display cables. To replace the speaker on iPhone X, you need to remove the GSM antenna. Unscrew 7 screws. Unscrew 1 screw between the taptic engine and speaker. Remove the metal panel and unplug the cable. In iPhone X, the speaker is glued to the case. If you want to save the factory adhesive tape, which can reuse during assembly, heat with hairdryer and carefully separate the speaker from the case. In the description under the video you find link where you can buy new speaker for iPhone X. Install speaker into the case and connect the cable. Set metal panel and fasten screw. Install the GSM antenna and fasten 7 screws. The iPhone 10 assembled, and now you can connect the display module, test how smartphone works, and begin to the final assembly with gluing the iPhone case. To test the iPhone, you need to connect 3 display cables and after the battery cable. Turn over the display, but do not close the case, just flip it. Turn on the iPhone and check how the smartphone works. If everything is working properly, let's begin to the final assembly. Remove old glue from iPhone case. Using medicine alcohol, wipe the iPhone 10 case from the old adhesive tape. If you want to restore the water resistance of your iPhone 10, you need adhesive tape like this. Of course, you can assemble your iPhone 10 without this adhesive tape, but this makes no sense because this adhesive tape costs only a couple of dollars. In the description under the video you find link where you can buy this adhesive tape. Connect 3 display cables to the motherboard and only after connect the battery cable. Install the metal panel and fasten screws. Turn over display and press it to the case. Fasten 2 screws near the charging port. Install the tray with the SIM card. Now you can turn on your iPhone and use it.